Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are well. In this class, we'll discuss importance of regression analysis. Regression analysis is the statistical tool. It shows the relationship between a dependent and one or more independent variables. Independent variables, also called explanatory variables, determine the dependent variables or outcome. Dependent variable, also called outcome, and explanatory variables or independent variables, also called predictor. So in this regression analysis, predictor determine outcome. Researchers use regression models to prediction and forecasting of economic phenomena, and it helps policymakers to take decisions and set policies. Regression analysis helps researchers to hypothesis testing and help to assess the significant predictor and measures the relationship between variables. In economics, regression analysis is used to analyze economic growth and performance. It shows the relationship between economic growth with the change of consumption, investment, export. Inflation rate, unemployment rate, stock market activities, all of economic phenomena predict by using regression analysis. Thanks for watching. Next class we'll discuss next topic of our course.